One of the girls was attacked by a bobcat. And this is what they leave behind at the attack site. Hey ladies, y'all come to see what's going on? I only have 7 now. But whenever this happens, all you gotta do is look around. You can see a trail of feathers. You can tell exactly where they go just by this trail. There's feathers all over the place. I happened to catch this on video and I posted at the end. That bobcat, which is what this was, went through the brush, left feathers all over, crossed that bamboo, and went back into the woods, and I couldn't get back there because it was too thick. They're coming to see what I'm doing. Hey Jenny, I'm gonna try and keep you from getting killed. Oh, good girl. Yeah, she's a good girl. Nasty human touched me. Basically what you'll see on my video is the chickens are congregating over by the coop, behind it, and over by the fence over here. And the bobcat goes against the fence and scares them, and some of them run out in this direction. And the bobcat jumps the fence right over there, chases it out here, kills it here, incapacitates it, and drags it back into the woods.